Hello everyone, I'm Ritu Pandey, IT Head of St. Anand Ramjapuria School, Lucknow. I'll take this privilege to share that we are the only Microsoft Showcase school or Aspire school in the city of Lucknow. It is an innovative program that empowers our school to bring learning to life. With Microsoft 365 education, we are not confined to the classroom teaching. We connect our students over Skype, which makes learning an adventure. Our students are also exploring a world of gamified learning with Minecraft Education Edition. In this stressful time, when the entire educational fraternity is relying on technology, we realized that we need a platform where everyone can communicate and collaborate in a real time. And that powerful tool is none other than Microsoft Teams. With the support of Microsoft, we attended various webinars and we conducted in-house training to understand and explore the functioning of Teams. And now I could say that my all teachers and students of class 3 and above are successfully using Teams.
My name is Aradhya Mishra from class 3rd B. I study in St. Anand Ramjapuria School. Today I am going to talk about Teams. Teams is very useful to me. Not only me, but everyone. It helps to contact with our teachers and also send our work. It helps to contact with our friends too. Thank you.
I, mother of Advika Singh of class 3C, is here to give some feedback about the virtual session that are taking place nowadays. And you are working on Teams also. It's very good. We all are connected there. All the teachers, classmates, parents, so that we can share each and everything on Teams. And we are getting responses from the teachers on work. We are just posting our projects, works, each and everything on Team, and we are getting a positive response from that.
Hello everyone, I am Binish Usmani, teacher at St. Anand Ramjapuria School, Lucknow. One of the major problems that we faced while dealing with 50 to 60 students in an online class was one-to-one interaction, especially with those students who either had network issues, were shy, or were just late bloomers and required some extra assistance. For this, Microsoft Teams came to our rescue. We can not only interact with the students on a one-to-one basis, anytime and any place, but also we can assess them with a variety of tools that were embedded in Microsoft Teams. It made it easier for us to understand their level of comprehension as well as to keep a record for future use.
I am Tanvi Sawant and today I'll be sharing my experience on Teams. Microsoft Office Team is a secure channel to share our information. It is a better platform as we can connect with all our students and teachers through it. There are different channels for all the subjects in which we can upload our homework, and our teachers respond immediately to our queries.
I'm Dr. Sarika, mother of Kovish Sharma. My views regarding the Microsoft Teams is that it is a unique platform of online teaching and communication which collaborates all the staff of the school, including principal ma'am, headmaster sir, and all the subject teachers and students as well as parents, where online teaching is carried on so effectively and smoothly. One-to-one chat is possible, video conferencing is possible, we can share information within no time, there is no hustle, and it is really making my child learn so fast and quickly, and everything during this lockdown period is running so smoothly regarding his studies one could ever imagine of.
My name is Surya S. Pillai. I am working as a science teacher at St. Andram Japuria School, Lucknow. With the help of our mentor, Poonam ma'am, and strong IT department, integrating technology with teaching was not a big deal. Last year, Teams was introduced to us, and now we are depending completely on Teams for sharing our assignments, chapters in PDF form, interesting links of Microsoft applications like Padlet, Forms, Sway, etc. It is providing me a platform where all my students are sharing their work at their own pace. They are taking charge of their own learning. Group discussions, clarification of doubts, praises, and even healthy criticism is also taking place over there.
Teams app is very useful to me, and not to me, everyone. It is very useful because to the teachers we can send the homework, and if we have any query or a problem, we can ask the things from our teachers, and we can see the work of our friends, and we can talk to our friends too. Thank you.
Hi, I am Mahesh Pawar. My daughter Bhargavi Pawar is studying in class 8th in St. Anandram Jaipuriya School, Lucknow. I am here to express my views on the online classes being run by the school. At the outset, I would like to compliment the school, principal and the entire staff for running the online classes very, very effectively. In fact, when this contingency of running the online classes came up, within no time the school could establish the framework by conducting online PTM and thereafter following it up with the number of instructions that were also disseminated online. Now we have reached a stage where the children are very, very comfortable in going through the online classes. And one important aspect of the online class here I would like to highlight. The major problem which is generally in the case of the online classes is clarification of doubts, and especially it happens with the lower classes or at the high school level students. They have number of doubts which in the absence of physical interaction with the teacher and the limitation of the time are generally left in their minds only. However, the Microsoft team has come to rescue here. The school has made an arrangement where each class has got a Microsoft team for each subject, wherein there are dedicated teachers of that subject, a part of that Microsoft team, and all the students of the class. Now a student, whenever he has a problem or a query or a clarification is required, he has the liberty to post his query in this team. And then the teacher there gives the clarification or replies back to the student, which is again seen by everyone.